Yes, family! We're back with another vlog.
And tonight we are having a
sister date night! Now you're probably wondering, where the hell is Bo? We didn't even invite her because we know time.
Our movie starts at 9 and it's 8:06.
It's 8:06 and family, you already know the story about Bo.
So she's probably already in bed.
In the other video.
You've seen it in the other video, and if you don't know and you're new to this channel,
well, now you know.
So right now we're going to watch a movie at in Epping, and then we're actually gonna go dinner first and then we're gonna go watch a movie. So yeah,
Before we start this video, please give it a thumbs up,
comment down below and make sure you
Subscribe. Eating at
La Familia. Oh my gosh, what's up with my face? But I hope we can. We're eating inside, yeah?
How many are we, folks?
Just three. Follow this man. Sis looking so cute and warm.
looking like
This girl looking like a snack. How come Julie wanted to be all like dolled up?
I know.
And here me, Chris,
We get
we're
it.
just like
natural thing.
Anyways, you guys barely have seen Julie, so we're excited that she's actually featuring in this vlog. She's barely in any of our vlogs, so yeah, this is my little sister, the Julie, Lanston's mum. She doesn't really matter. Tell the family where Lanston is.
So Lanston's at home with his dad, and like while we were getting ready, he literally knew that I was going somewhere. Like he was crying, he wanted me to hold him. So I told Pussy, I was like, I'm going with my sisters. I need a mommy's night out at dinner.
She wants to have dinner just with me and Chris.
I know.
Mommy's like,
Because she has no friends.
I don't need friends.
We're gonna look at the menu.
I know, I'm so hungry. I don't know if Julie ate, you didn't eat. We both didn't eat, and Chris did eat because I bought her Macca's.
Yeah, I ate Macca's. Anyways, we'll get back to you. Oh.
Just wait 1 moment. So I'm smiling over there. I'm gonna post it.
I hate smiling.
And the camera's there and I'm looking at you, family. Oh, those are so pretty.
It's so awkward. If you don't know, add me on
It's a bit random that we just decided that we'll go.
Well, they were gonna go and
We were gonna go regardless because I asked Chris.
yeah, because I was like, I'm gonna stay home with my son.
And then Julie heard me and Chris making plans. It's like, oh, I'll come.
I was like, I think I'll
What's on the way home? I was just saying to my sisters, if anyone has ever gone out to dinner with us, we never ever buy drinks, like cup drinks. Yeah. Actually, our last dinner that we had with Willie and Kathy, we actually bought drinks, but we usually never buy drinks. We always drink the water because it's too expensive. Go like rich. Go in your comfort zone.
Go in your budget.
Go in your budget, your comfort zone. Don't go and order a drink that's almost $5 for just a
Yeah, like,
that's like
When you
not
finish
even
after
big
here,
enough.
then just go to Coles. Grab a bottle.
Let me get my sister here.
It's alright, you can face it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do you want any parmesan cheese or anything like that?
Oh no, that's fine. Thank you.
Yeah, me.
One of
Thank
those
you.
vlogs you're doing.
Yeah, it's wrong.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, we'll do it after.
Thank you for watching our vlog.
Look at that.
Because you are still proud, baby. That looks cool.
Cat and then got me into it. Cat always gets this.
Wait, it came quick. I don't know if it's something. I done second. I was pretty good. I mean, I'm really good at eating.
Look at that. She barely even touched anything. Besides the fries.
I think because she goes, well done. She goes,
And that.
she goes, can I get my steak well done? And then next minute,
Yes, please.
And if you want to put fries in there.
And leftovers in
and then make some risotto. Make another one. Sarah ate this.
She loved it, can you tell?
Family, I love the chicken princess.
Recommend it.
Recommended by Sera.
Not sponsored by Love Me.
That laugh was the
Anyways, that chicken princess was so good. I loved it. The combination between the wine.
What wine is it?
Like,
What wine?
I don't know.
It's white wine.
Imagine.
Oh movie.
Imagine.
Oh movie.
Family, I had to unbutton my jeans because my stomach was getting.
That's why when you know you're going to dinner,
We're tight. Loves it. If you know that guy, we don't know him.
Also, I had to unbutton because, like, as I was eating, I was trying to bend over.
And the fat was coming
And as I
over.
was bending over, it was digging into my stomach.
You're wrong.
No,
with
sis,
it.
It was digging into the stomach.
Oh.
And then I was like,
I get that sometimes. Even with my school pants.
but
My school pants are so tight. Oh my god.
so you can't read that school.
Show us how you do it.
I can't because the zip went down.
Yeah. Didn't you know? Do you wanna?
No, I don't think I'm in there. Well, we can't be famous if you don't know us.
So I can see if you know, you're anywhere on Instagram and that's
Go on our
YouTubers. We're vloggers.
Her and her husband.
Yeah.
Oh, so what did you do? Did you review restaurants and
No, we just vlog our life. And my sisters decided we'll go for dinner, so we came for dinner. Yeah.
Well, give us a nice review, give us a good shout out. Yeah, we'll go in here,
Come on. Wait.
Oh, that's your husband.
You own it?
Say something because we were just saying we didn't give a good
So you are the famous one, not us.
Please come closer because it's loud.
Everyone come down to
Family, come down to La Familia because he's the actual owner.
I'm very blessed to have this
Any
beautiful women.
discount? Any discount?
get some dessert. We get dessert platters coming up. Buy some shorties.
Yes. Loves it.
Loves it. Oh my god.
Just the worker. Yeah.
Family, I can't believe we met the owner of La Familia and we were just like playing around in here. Yeah.
Some desserts coming soon.
Oh. Wait, are we paying for it?
Giving you a shout out. Telling everyone to come here.
Oh wait, are we paying for these? Make sure we're not paying for them.
But not be on our bill.
You say if we end up paying for it, one star.
They call it the extra.
No. Don't put myself down.
10 million.
Putting me down. Hey Chris, get them. Get them.
They set up the manager.
Oh my god, he's on the vlog. He's on the vlog. Say hey. Yes, she's just eating. What are you eating? Say we're eating.
Crepes. Strawberry
Oh, she's eating crepes.
Vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream. She's having a bit of a. What's going on here?
A bit of a piccolo and a wine and a strawberry crepe made by the owner himself. And now we're just trying to find this YouTube channel.
Okay, loves it. It's just Tuxx and Sera. Wow.
Yes. It's
He
my
got us-
birthday, guys. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
It's her birthday. Oh my god. Love it. When she full forces everyone to say hello. Okay, so
Well, we
this.
kind of already started.
We just got dessert. Complimentary from the owners. Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
It's so good.
Oh, the mint.
So, to all our Holly people, come here. They're so friendly. Just do it like a bite of your strawberry.
Wait, don't eat it. Wait.
Can you put it down a bit?
Do a slow-mo. Do a slow-mo.
Loved it.
I'll slow it down.
I can't do it pretty now.
Bye, ladies. Thank you for everything. Bye. Okay, family. So we're off, and we're just going to.
Hello, this is Josh. My name is Josh. Hey, how you going? Hey, where's the lens? There's the lens. Hey, how you going? La Familia, yeah.
Time to come to your restaurant.
Oh yeah, if you guys want, come to the restaurant. It's Pacific Epping, La Familia. I know no one would listen to me, but still, come. It's nice food. They enjoyed it. Yeah. Hey, how you doing?
Okay, so we're gonna pay for the bill. Here, baby. Oh, here, Charlie.
Yeah, guys. Let's see. How much do you reckon it's gonna cost us?
$105. We did good, family.
Loved it.
Oh my gosh.
Can you hire me? She needs a job.
And now we are off to Reading Cinemas.
No, we're going to that.
The bed. You want to choose the bed? Oh, Mega Minds. Another darkest. Julie goes, oh, Mega Minds.
No, that's the makeup thing.
As if we come here and this girl, this gorilla over here.
They're like, this is your family.
Oh my gosh, hi. Saw her on
on the last vlog. I haven't seen you in ages. Oh my god.
Beeped, and it was the text message that you sent me that you're going to Epping Macca's.
Oh.
So what are you guys gonna watch?
I don't know, we're gonna pick. Okay fam, so
We just bumped into Melody.
I know, how random. We didn't think we'll see anyone here. But we bumped into Mal and one of the subscribers that did our oh, yes girl.
Video no, that's alright.
So we've decided what movie we're gonna watch, and we're going to watch The Darkest Minds. The Darkest Minds. Darkest Minds. Darkest Minds. Yeah, I'm gonna play a mysterious thingy. Do like eyes. Okay, ready? No, I have to. It'll look better. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I can't take it serious.
I'm just excited for the popcorn.
Yes, no. She literally eats every bit.
She's so mean.
From beginning until the end.
What? You're meant to. Oh yeah, sorry, too loud. These girls, they expect you to buy popcorn and not eat it.
Yeah, but eat like balang at one.
Yeah, but I'm not
Wait
buying
until
them.
the ads are finished, because by the time the ads are finished, the popcorn's finished. So you can have your own and we can share.
So we'll get, she could get a small one or
A medium. It's $10 with the
and
drink
we'll get a
ice
medium.
cream.
Get a medium for us.
Yeah, but only one drink.
We drink a lot.
Okay.
I know what happened. What happened to you don't eat and drink a lot? My hand's being stupid because I need a block. The chocolate on its own. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Oh no, don't say that.
It's like no.
Alright, if you're going to put us on YouTube.
Say your name.
No, ribbon on
Just a nickname? A nickname?
Okay, Monkey 2.
Monkey and Monkey 2.
Friends night out.
That's my sister.
Sister, I can tell.
Oh, really?
I can tell you're just sisters. You look alike. Family, so they're on a sister date night and we're on a sister date night. Sisters.
That's all for today. $60 in total.
Ooh, sister girl shouting at us. Show us that card, girl. Is that your card or?
It's my card. Sorry guys.
What? Say that again, sis. Say that again to me.
Isn't it nice to go somewhere and like someone else shouts as well?
Wow. Yeah. I thought I'll never hear this.
Not just everything on you.
I thought I'll never hear this, family. This is probably my first time being shouted by Julie.
No.
But I'm a liar.
You better calm down.
What flavor chocolate will you after?
Can I get mint?
Yep.
What do you want? Chocolate, please. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Same.
And sleep.
That was really good. Did you like it?
Yeah. I'm an orange. What are you? I'm an orange. Nah, I'm red.
You're not green, you're fine.
I'm red.
3, 2, 1, 8. I rated it 8.
Oh, 7.
7?
Yeah. 7. 7.
I enjoyed it.
Okay, I'm going to do the comment of the day, and her name is Hates Tara, and she says, "Oh snap, your cousin Fui and your Nana's dance moves were on point, loved it."
Yay!
My name's Michaela, and my Instagram's Michaela.Deluca.
Hit her up, guys.
And are you single? No.
Oh, don't hit her up.
Hey guys, I'm doing the second comment of the day, and this one goes to Glenn Cruz. He wrote, "Yes, I was dying to watch the whole video. We need to do more mukbang with the Sistergirls." My name's Ilana. My Instagram is Ilana Devol.
Yes, girl.